You're so cute, Finn. You gonna lay there? You gonna just lay there? Huh?
Take him 20 minutes to get to that position.
He's like, I'm just gonna lay here. He's blinking his eyes and everything. Good night. Oh. He said, look, I got covers, Mama. That can't be comfortable. Look at his head. You had a flat top. You had a flat top. He said, not anymore. I'm sure there's static electricity in that somehow, too. Funny Finn. Funny Finn. Oh, goodness. Good night, Finn.